Here's our first bridge of the trail walk. So most of the nature reserve walks that we go on in Romania, there's usually like a fee. This one was 4 lei, which is about just under £1 or 2 NZ. There's a little cave there, and we'll come to our second bridge. Here's a little cave. Doesn't go very deep. That's pretty cool. Another little cave. Way up high though. Couldn't get to that one. Well, that guy was a bit unlucky. You can see his gumboots, but it looks like the rock got him.
So morbid.
It's a good sign to watch out for falling rocks. Oh, look at that tree. Such a big hole in it, and it's still standing.
That's so cool. But you can see the light coming through somewhere.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Bridge number 3. This one bounces up and down quite a bit. It's the cable bridge. The track's pretty rocky here. All the rocks are really smooth as well. You can see that a lot of people have walked over them. So they're all quite slippery. Wouldn't recommend doing this when they're wet from the rain or anything.
It'd be pretty horrible walking in the rain because there's no sun as well.
Yeah. Yeah. It's quite a warm day, but yeah. If it was a bit colder and out of the sun, it would be very cold. It's gotten even more rocky. These mountains are so beautiful, just all rock. Another bridge, just a little one, but I think this is our 4th. Oh, this one moves quite a lot. That is high and steep. It's like all the rock has like nice smooth holes in it. It's funny. There's some little climbing anchor points for climbing up here. Bridge number 6, I believe. So this one's made out of a couple of tree logs lying across the gap.
No, tell me it's made out of big steel beams.
It's a bit wiggly too. Oh no, actually it's pretty fine. Very nice bridge. There's some climbers climbing up the rock as well. There's a few all around the place. So I'm just there as well. There's a little crayfish kind of guy in the water. So we made it through the gorge, and at the other side it's the grassy paddock area, and there's a car park there as well. We chilled out for half an hour.
I just mean half an hour. It's been like 10 minutes.
In a few minutes. Might head back through it. And yeah. It's beautiful here in the countryside. Here's some little ruins of a house or something.
We finished the walk.
We made it.
Made it back to the road. It was really good. We are starving though. We didn't take any lunch with us. We should have had lunch at the other end in that paddock. So now we're gonna go back to the van and make some lunch. When we started the walk, all these little stalls were all closed. We didn't know what they were, and on our way out we just noticed there were little food places. So instead of making food in the van, we've just come here and we're gonna have lunch here. It looks really cute and delicious. It has been so cold for a few weeks now, and I'm not complaining because I love winter and autumn time, but it is so nice to have the sun on us. This is my favorite kind of weather. Like, the air's kind of cold, but the sun is shining bright and just heating us up. And it means our van over there will be getting its solar panels charged, which is good because we're a tiny bit low on power at the moment. Our lunch has arrived. There weren't many vegetarian options, so we had to get 2 types of potatoes.
Wedges, chips and chicken.
And then
some bread.
Yeah, it's so cool in Romania, lots of the food comes with bread, and the bread is so good. All finished. Not quite sure how to say it. Kurtosh Karlaks. Got another one of these chimney cakes. Yum.
Cinnamon.
Back at the van. We're just gonna move the van over to, there's like a little field you can camp in. I'm just gonna move over there. We slept there last night. We're gonna stay there again tonight. One of my favorite things about Romania is like everybody has little picnics everywhere. Like if you're on a drive or in like a nice area, you'll see just people just stop like all along the road and have picnics, and if there's a picnic table they'll put a little blanket out. And we've just seen the cutest little old people up there that have like brought their own table and a little like tablecloth. It's so cute. Look at them. They're like in this field where everyone's parking because the parking's full. So cute. So now we're on this cute little piece of grass on the side of the road where people are having picnics and stuff and fires. On Google it was just like, it said like free camping or something like that. So we decided to stay here last night and it was good. So we're gonna stay here again tonight. Time for chimney cake.
Chimney cake. I'm not sure how you meant to eat it.
Just bite it.
I saw some people that unrolled it on a picnic bench.
Oh no. That's probably right, but oh no, I just want to eat the whole thing.
Oh no, that's good if you want to eat the whole thing. Or just like unroll all the wrapper.
No, but I want to eat it like a chimney. Good? Was it hot? Because it was like already there. I kind of like last time it was like really hot because he made it fresh.
It's a little bomb.
Please don't lick your fingers on camera. Do you want to share some?
I wonder what all the other people were getting. Considering there was 2 people in front of us that weren't buying cinnamon.
Yeah.
But I feel like cinnamon was the only flavour that we wanted to buy. It was like plain
Just chocolate. I feel like cinnamon tastes like authentic, but if you had them all the time you might want different flavours. Remember how in our last vlog, a few vlogs ago, we said it would take us a few days to eat the chimney cake and it took us like 2 hours.
It's one thing we're definitely going to take back to New Zealand is learn a recipe, make some little wooden...
What, chimney cakes? You're going to take them back to New Zealand? You're going to make them in New Zealand? At home?
Start up a chimney cake factory.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.